Hey guys, it's Mr. Akins here, and we've got another helpful video for you. We're going to teach you how to take a picture using a laptop or a Chromebook, and then put that picture into your Google Drive so that you can use that to upload it for some of your assignments. So in order to do that, the first thing we need to do is we need to be in our Google Drive. Now, there's several different ways that you can do that. One is from your Wake ID. From your Wake ID, we see the icon here for your Google Drive. Mine says staff, yours will say student, and you can click on this icon and it will take you to your Google Drive. Another place is right up here in your icon menu or your app menu. If you were to click on this little waffle looking thingy here, then it shows you all your different Google apps that you regularly use, and Google Drive is one of those that you can click on, and this will take you right to your Google Drive. Another way that you can get to your Google Drive is you can go into the search and type drive.google.com. And that will take you directly to your Google Drive. So any of those three methods will take you to your Google Drive. So once you're there, you've got to decide, well, where do you want this picture to be? So hopefully you have yours organized into different folders. So I want my picture that I'm going to take to be in our 6-2 team folder. So this is where my picture is going to go. So, well, what do I want to do? I want to add a picture here. So I'm going to go up here with a little plus that says new, because this is where I add things. So I'm going to click on the little plus, and it gives me some options. It says I can make a folder, I can do a file upload, upload a folder, create a doc, a Google Sheet, or a slide. Well, none of these are a picture. So we're going to go down here to more. Okay, again, in more, I don't see pictures, but the place that we're going to go is a Google drawing. So we're going to go to add something, more, and then a Google drawing. So we're going to create a Google drawing. Now, this is saying I'm putting in a shared folder. Yours may or may not say this. Most likely it's not. I'm going to go ahead and create this and share. So now we've opened a Google drawing. Well, what we want to do is we want to insert a picture. So we're going to go up here to insert, and we don't see picture, but we do see image. So an image or a picture is what we want to upload. Well, it gives us several different places that we can get this picture. We can get it from the computer, we can get it from the internet, we can get it from our Google Drive, our Google Photos, a website on the internet, or from the camera. So the camera is how you're going to use your Chromebook or your laptop to take a picture. And when I click on the camera, it's going to pop up, and then all of a sudden you're going to see a picture of me or whatever your webcam is pointing at. So if this is the first time you've ever taken a picture or you've ever used that, you may get a message asking, do you want to allow Google Docs to use your camera? And you're just going to simply say yes. So now that you have your webcam on, you can simply click the button here to take a picture. If you wanted to take a selfie, then you can do that right now. Mostly what you're probably going to be using this for is to take pictures of assignments that you've done in order to submit those through your Google Classroom. So you can take your assignment and you could hold that up, and you may want to get someone else to help you. This can be kind of tricky, holding it up there and taking a picture. And once you have it right where you want it, you can just click, and then you see that it shows your picture popped up right there. Okay, so this is the picture that I have, and I want to insert it into my Google drawing. I can make it big. Remember, anytime we make a picture bigger, we always want to drag it by the corner. That way it keeps those proportions and it looks right. Okay, this is not super clear, and if you're taking a picture of an assignment with your webcam, it's probably not going to be super clear. This is not the ideal assignment. We typically wouldn't do this if we're trying to get a picture of text or something like that, but most of the time it's going to maybe be a drawing or something else that you've done that you want to upload. So, well, the other thing is you got my mug in the back there, so we want to kind of get rid of that. So we're going to use the crop feature up here. This is our crop feature, and that allows us to crop things out that we don't want to be in there. So I'm going to try to get as much of my face out of there as I can. Now I've done that. I just simply hit enter, and now I have just the part of the picture that I want. And again, I can resize this. I can make it bigger. Again, this is a little blurry, but for the most part, you're going to be using this for pictures or drawings or things like that. If it is an assignment that you need to take a picture of and it's a little blurry, we're going to do what we can to try to read that. Sometimes you may want to try to get another picture of it. Maybe you can get a little clearer. Maybe you can hold it still while somebody else hits the camera button, but there's a few different options here. Now I can name it. So I'm going to call this sample picture. And now my picture is done. So remember, Google Drive, you don't have to save anything. Right here it says all changes are already saved. I now have a picture that I have uploaded. And if I look into my Google Drive, I should be able to scroll down here and I see that sample picture is there. Now I can put that sample picture, I can upload that to show evidence that I've completed assignment in Google Classroom, or for whatever reason you might need that. If you have questions, feel free to message me and let me know. You guys have a good day.